Contractors are here, day 2, drying up a little bit. It is still wet, but it's Friday. Saturday is going to absolute pee it down. So we are going to go. Contractors are here, actually filling trailers up. And I've got the sheet on. Didn't know they were coming right now. I thought it was going to be after 1. It's about 12:30 now. So I'm going to have to do the sheet quick. Leave.
I like everything about you.
That is the sheet off, ready. So I've got about 35 acres I think to put on it. A bit more waste than I'd want. There's a bit of waste in the back here. They didn't get rolled as well because of the tightness of getting under here. Got a John Deere butt rake. Different contractors this time because we're not doing a lot, so we didn't want to get them all the way from Longridge, so it's quite a way. Probably about an hour in a tractor, could be wrong. Lads, if you're watching this, say how long it'll be. But yeah, so get on top. A few years ago, there used to be a shorter tractor that would fit under here with no cab, but obviously that doesn't work anymore. So we've got the big John Deere, and he said we'll get to here, get to this top, and then he'll be able to push it out to the back. Hopefully it's good stuff, fingers crossed. First bit of sun it's had on it, and it's getting rode up straight away, so it might gonna be a bit heavy, this stuff. I'm guessing. We'll see. First load's coming in as we speak, so I'll see him tip it, and hopefully it'll be good stuff. First load doesn't look too bad, doesn't feel that wet as well, which is great. Hopefully a lot of the moisture was only on top, and when he rode it up it kind of chilled out a bit. It's going to be a bit of a struggle with that big John Deere, I reckon, getting in here, but he'll nail it, hopefully. He's only got 2 trailers on today, normally we have 3 on, so it won't come in as fast, it'll come in a bit steadier, which is probably great for clamp so he can roll it better. Dad will be on the scrape tractor, I'll go karting in a minute. He loves rolling it on that little scraper tractor, that little International, I think it's a 235 or something, 275 or something, 275 I'm pretty sure, little scraper tractor. We did wash its tyres off, but now it's covered in muck. Hey ho. Oh, ignition's still on, blame Dad for that one. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this is good stuff and I'll get some good footage, but with 2 cars as well, with me flying the drone, I might struggle to actually get some good shots, but hopefully I do. I'll go get me drone and all that kind of good stuff, and let's get started. is the end of the video. We've sheeted up. Didn't video the sheeting up because it's Friday and I think it is 6:45. I had to go milking in the end, so my brother-in-law Des, he did some of the siloing. It worked pretty well. That was the first time he's driven the tractor trailer that size and smashed it. Talking about smashed it, he did smash a gateway, but everyone makes mistakes when they first start. I'm gonna take the mick out of it a little bit. Guys, so that is it. That is second cut, actually third cut and second cut on there. You saw that we'd eaten a bit of it. There is quite a lot in there. And first cut there, looking pretty good. Oh, found a great use for the International 885 loader tractor, by the way. Just have a look here. To stop the wall of straw going over. So that's probably the best use it's ever had his whole entire life. Dad will watch this and shots fired. Guys, I'd like to say thank you very much for all the great comments you've been giving Dad and myself. He has been reading them and he's been saying quite funny stuff about the Ginger Ninja. Some people have been saying he needs to start his own YouTube channel. That'd be funny. It'd be funny him trying to use a camera, I think. But yeah, guys, really, it's pretty cool. Thank you very much on behalf of him and me. He does read them all and he likes saying to me, oh yeah, this has said that and whatever. So guys, yeah, it's cool. The John Deere stopped going under at one point. You gotta think, even the bonnet won't go under that. And then there, it had no chance. So pretty happy, loads of tyres on, like lots of tyres. Best way to sheet up is lots and lots of tyres. Sandbags work as well. The straw little wall worked pretty well as well. So great job all in all. Friday, 7:15, done. I'm gonna go home. Me and Joe are gonna go for a pint, I think. She might not go for a pint, she might have a Prosecco, I think. So guys, thank you very much. If you don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat or, what's the other one? Twitter handle is Pemby6, same with Snapchat, and Instagram is TomPemsy_Farm Life. If you want some Farm Life merch, which the kids merch is now available from ages 6 to 11, and then anything over 11 you'll fit in the small. Check it out on pembertonfarmshop.co.uk/TP merch. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Third cut is done. Just got some big bales to do, about 40 acres of that. I read all the comments about what should do, big bale it or leave it. We're probably going to leave it and let the cows graze it. Guys, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one. See you in a bit. See you later.